Hello, my name is Ronnie Simon from Logic Pulse Digital. I hope you're well. So today we're gonna make a small blog type website. So first we're gonna go in our VS Code and I'm gonna close all these windows now. So first what you have to do is make a folder. We're gonna make a folder on our desktop which we will call it a blog. It's gonna be a normal blog. I'm gonna make a website of a normal blog type snooker website. Now I'm gonna make a new file. I'm gonna name the file index.html. okay, and we're gonna place it in the folder we just created, that is blog. We're gonna create the file, and first we're gonna do is we're gonna make another file known as style.css. okay, we're gonna make this now, and now it's done. So first we're gonna do is that you can use the exclamation mark, and this main normal doc type HTML file is gonna come, and now we're gonna link the CSS and style. So we have linked it. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put in style these things. Basically these are things you have to put in every page. These are basically normal stuff. See, the HTML body is height is 100%, width is 100%, margin 0, padding 0. So you can put it over here. You can change the font family to whatever you like. Okay, so now we're gonna start. Now what we're gonna do is that first we're gonna make a div. You use the pound sign, or you can say the hashtag sign, to make a div, and we're gonna name it the main div. It's gonna be our main div. Okay, so now basically what I am about to make, I'm gonna make a blog of 5 top snooker players. So first I'm gonna put the heading h1. H1 means heading 1. It's gonna be our main heading. So I'm gonna say top 5 snooker, let's make it capital, top 5 snooker players in the world. Okay, basically this is according to me, so you guys can agree or not. Now we're gonna make h2. okay, and let me tell you one more thing. We're gonna make the top 5, right? So h2, and we're gonna use this thing and 5. So now there will be 5 h2 tags over here. So now on the first, according to me, is Alex Higgins. So I'm gonna put the name in Alex Higgins. The second is for me Stephen Henry. So Stephen Henry. And the third is of course Mr. Ronnie O'Sullivan. And the fourth is Mark Selby. And the fifth is basically, my fifth is Judd Trump and Jimmy White both. And I'm gonna put the current lot, so Judd Trump. Okay, so these are like my 5. Let's see how it looks. We're gonna Control S. It's gonna be saved, and now let's see, and let's open in the Chrome file. So now this is what we have. Okay, don't worry about it, we're gonna style it later. So now we're gonna put some paragraphs. Obviously you have to write about them as well. So let's write something from ChatGPT. It's convenient over here. Alex Higgins, snooker, see, so much knowledge has come and I think it's quite big, but let's put it all over there. Now everything is here. Let's save. Let's see how the page looks, and this is how it looks. Okay, it's fine. I added the chat GPT as well, I guess. I'm gonna copy it again till here. Let's Control Z, and then okay, now let's try for Stephen Henry. Basically I'm just getting some knowledge. Okay, we're gonna use, basically P stands for paragraph, and we're gonna use this now. Let's try Mr. Ronnie O'Sullivan. You can take some knowledge if you have like you don't have a content to write. You can take from ChatGPT. It's gonna help you. Okay, I don't want this. Oh shit, I did let's do it, this one. Okay, let's Control S. Now we're gonna do same with Mark Selby. Let's copy this and put it over here, Mark Selby. Now we're gonna get some knowledge about Mr. Mark Selby. Basically I can skip all this part, but I don't want you to miss anything, so I'm doing it anyways. So now it's done. Now final person, Mr. Judd Trump. Very impeccable player. Basically I am quite snooker fan myself. That's why I'm making, you know, whenever you think about making a page as a blog, you always try to make something which you like. So now let's see what happened. See, all the knowledge now is here. We have the complete page now, but now we have to style it, obviously. So we're gonna style it. Basically a quick reminder, we make a div of main, and in that div we have h1, then we have h2, okay, and then there is paragraph, the explanation, and basically you always have a blog like this. But now there's something which we don't have over here. Basically that is pictures. We need pictures, right? So we're gonna find the pictures and we're gonna add them. Basically adding some pictures always, you know, makes your page look more good. Let's see. I think Alex Higgins in the end had cancer, I guess. Okay, we're gonna choose this. Now you have to paste this. Always try to paste the picture in the folder you're making, so it could be easy. You can paste somewhere else as well, but when you're uploading your things, it's quite easy if you have all the things in the same page, in the same folder. And now the second one was Stephen Henry. Stephen Henry. One of the greatest players Steven, let's put it this is not right. Let's try something else. You can use this as well, or this, or this. This is a nice picture. Let's try this. Basically I'm seeing this type, JPEG type or JPEG type. Okay, Stephen. PNG is also fine. Now it's Ronnie O'Sullivan. This is some nice picture of Mr. Ronnie O'Sullivan. Let's save this. Okay. Okay. Now was Mark Selby, the most tactical player in snooker. Mark Selby. And the last but not the least, Mr. Judd Trump. Let's put a Judd. Now the pictures are here. Now we're gonna paste some pictures. Basically I'm gonna paste the picture above the headings, the headings of the basically H2. So we're gonna, source is Alex. I'm gonna copy it over here. You can change the pictures. In the end, I'm trying to cut the video in short, as much short as I can. Now we have pasted all the pictures, but we have to change the name of the players. So this was Steven, you got it. Now it's Ronnie, you got it. Now it's Mark, we got it. And now it's Judd, we got it. So now let's see what happens. See, we've got the pictures. Don't worry about the size, we're gonna change all the size. It's looking nice still. In this way it's looking quite nice, but it ain't styled till now. Now we're gonna style it. Okay, now this is the div. So basically when you're writing in div, you have to use the main, and first we're gonna use the h1. Okay, text align center. Let's see, always check what you're doing. It's in the center. Okay, now we're gonna use the font size. Let's make it 10 VW. Let's see how it looks. It's too big, too damn big. Let's make it 6. Still too big. Let's make it 4. Now it's I think we should give a break, Now there are one easy method to give a break. I'm gonna tell you the easy method. You can use the BR tag. It's gonna give easy gap between the picture, and we can give more gap as well. See, that's done. So now we have to bring this image in the bit in between. Okay, so now the image, so now we're gonna put some tags. It will be display, will be block, margin will be left auto, right auto, and width 50%, so that the images can be of same size. The pixels are gonna be bad, but we are making a normal page, so I think we haven't saved it. Yeah, so now it's basically same, and now we're gonna do is that we're gonna again use the pound sign or the hashtag sign, and we're gonna use the h2 tag, and we're gonna use text align center and font size. We can use 3 VW. Okay, now let's see what happens. It's too close. We can use the BR. We're going to use it in the end. For now we are just making a normal. Now again the pound sign or the hashtag sign, and we're going to use the P, text align. We're going to use the center and font size. We're going to use 1 VW. I haven't changed the background color of the page. We're gonna do it in the end. It's too small. Let's make it 2 VW. Let's make it 2 VW. Now it looks nice. And now after every player knowledge, basically I'm telling you the easy way. We can put some PR tag over here, and we can put some PR tag over here. Basically you have to look for yourself that what do you want to change, so you can do it yourself. Okay, basically 3, 4, 5. Let's see how it looks now, and see, now it looks a bit better, right? And I think this is looking much better, because I am hating the pixels. Okay, now we have this. Okay, go in the top now, and we're gonna use the main div. We're gonna change some background color. Let's see, we can use brown. I know it's gonna look terrible. See now it's not looking that terrible. You can change this color as well. For instance, you want H1 color to be, it's already black. I like black. Let's make it this. Let's see how it looks. See, now basically we have made a very simple blog type page. You have the player name. Basically it's now top 5 snooker players in the world: Alex Higgins, Stephen Hendry, Ronnie O'Sullivan, Mark Selby, Judd Trump. And I close the width. I did by using this sign and adding the control. Whenever you use the control and this sign, that basically tag closes. It's not gonna get used anymore. So this is how you use it. And finally we have made a normal blog type page. So basically all the bloggers out there who are like paying so much money to make their blog simple websites, you can easily make it on VS Code or Sublime or any. You can also make it like on Notepad, and basically it's just a simple coding. You just need HTML and CSS and it's gonna be fine. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for further videos. If you want to know about any normal blogs code, you can email me or you can DM me. I'm gonna tell you that for free. It's no problem. I'm gonna see you in my next video. You guys take care and have a good day. Bye bye.